Hello viewers, and welcome once again to the Home of Beautiful Cars. My name is Christos, the owner of the Home of Beautiful Cars, and I've got one of the all-time great Mercedes-Benz here with us at the Home of Beautiful Cars. This would have to be the ultimate convertible. It's the SL63, the iconic SL63. One of the last of the hardtops, convertible. This is a 2014 built and complied car with only 33,000 kilometres in virtually brand new condition. Only at the Home of Beautiful Cars, one of the all-time great hardtop convertibles, incredible power, performance, looks. This car's got it all. We'll be under $150,000 at the Home of Beautiful Cars, Australia-wide delivery and finance arranged. Wow.